By the time we hit 50, there's one vitamin most of us are missing. And the scary part is you might not even feel the symptoms until it's already affecting your bones, your muscles, and even your immune system. Welcome to Live Vital Life, where every tip is backed by real research and trusted by medical experts. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what this vitamin is, why it matters so much as we age, and, most importantly, how you can get enough of it starting today. As we age, our bodies start to lose efficiency. One big change? We stop absorbing certain nutrients as well as we used to. One of the most important is vitamin D. Think of vitamin D as the helper. That unlocks calcium, so your bones can actually use it. Without enough of it, even if you eat a calcium-rich diet, your bones won't get the protection they need. According to the National Institutes of Health, vitamin D also plays a role in keeping muscles strong, supporting brain health, and powering up the immune system. The trouble is, most adults over 50 simply aren't getting enough. First one is soak up the morning sun. One of the easiest ways to make vitamin D is right outside your front door. When sunlight hits your skin, your body starts producing its own vitamin D, like a natural supplement, built right in. According to Harvard School of Public Health, just 10 to 20 minutes of direct morning sun on your arms and face, 3 or 4 times a week, can make a real difference. And the morning sun is gentler, so you're protecting your skin while still giving your body what it needs. Second one is enjoy fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines. These aren't just delicious, they're packed with vitamin D in a form your body absorbs easily. The National Institutes of Health notes that adding 2 servings of fatty fish each week can improve bone density and keep your immune system strong. A grilled salmon dinner, or even a sardine salad, can go a long way toward filling in the gap. Third one is choose fortified dairy. Fortified milk and yogurt are a simple, everyday way to get more vitamin D. When a food is fortified, it means vitamin D has been added to help you meet your needs. The Cleveland Clinic points out that fortified dairy not only helps your bones, but also supports dental health by boosting calcium absorption. A glass of fortified milk with breakfast can start your day off right. Number 4 is try fortified plant-based milks. If you don't do dairy, don't worry. Many plant-based milks, like almond, soy, and oat milk, are also fortified with vitamin D. Mayo Clinic nutrition experts recommend checking the label for fortified with vitamin D and using it in your smoothies, coffee, or cereal for an easy boost. Number 5 is eat the whole egg. Egg yolks are a natural source of vitamin D. The USDA notes that they also contain healthy fats and protein, which help your body absorb nutrients. Having a couple of eggs a week, whether boiled, scrambled, or in an omelet, can make a small but steady difference. Number 6 is add mushrooms to your plate. Certain mushrooms, especially maitake, or those exposed to UV light, can produce vitamin D, just like our skin does. A 2013 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that UV-exposed mushrooms can help increase vitamin D levels. Sauté them in olive oil for better absorption and flavor. Let me tell you about Maria, a 62-year-old retired teacher. She always thought she was eating healthy, but she felt tired, achy, and noticed her balance wasn't what it used to be. Her doctor ran a simple blood test and found her vitamin D levels were low. So she made a few small changes: morning walks 3 times a week, salmon for dinner twice a week, and switching her regular milk to fortified almond milk. 6 months later, her energy returned. Her bone scan showed improvement, and she said she felt like herself again. That's the power of consistent science-backed changes. Number 7 is consider cod liver oil. Cod liver oil is one of the most concentrated natural sources of vitamin D. The NIH Office of Dietary Supplements lists it as a top food source. Just a teaspoon can meet a large portion of your daily needs, but always check with your doctor first, because too much vitamin D can be harmful. Number 8 is use supplements when necessary. Sometimes, food and sunlight aren't enough, especially in winter, or for those who spend most of their time indoors. The Endocrine Society recommends 600 to 800 IU daily for most adults over 50, but the exact dose depends on your blood levels. Always follow your doctor's advice before starting a supplement. Number 9 is pair vitamin D with healthy fats. Vitamin D is fat soluble, which means it needs fat to be absorbed. Harvard Medical School recommends pairing vitamin D-rich foods with healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, or nuts. That could be as simple as drizzling olive oil over your grilled fish. Number 10 is combine it with calcium. Vitamin D helps your body use calcium effectively. The National Osteoporosis Foundation explains that without vitamin D, calcium can't fully protect your bones. Try pairing fortified milk with leafy greens or salmon with a side of broccoli. Number 11 is stay active outdoors. Spending more time outside not only gets you sunlight, it also helps your bones and muscles stay strong through movement. The American College of Sports Medicine suggests weight-bearing activities like walking, gardening, or light jogging, especially in daylight. And the last is get your levels checked. A simple blood test can tell you if you're getting enough vitamin D. The Mayo Clinic recommends the 25-hydroxy vitamin D test during your regular checkup. This way, you know exactly where you stand and can adjust before problems start. Vitamin D keeps your bones strong, your muscles working, and your immune system ready to protect you. The best ways to keep your levels healthy: get safe sun exposure, eat vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish and fortified milk, and get your blood tested regularly. And remember, just like Maria, you can see real results with small, consistent changes. Here are some tips for getting vitamin D effectively. In colder months, sunlight isn't as strong, so you might need to focus more on food sources or talk to your doctor about supplements. Magnesium helps your body activate vitamin D. You can get it from nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, easy to add to salads or snacks. Your body works best when vitamin D comes in steady amounts, not in big bursts. Research from the National Institutes of Health shows that regular intake, whether from sunlight, food, or supplements, keeps blood levels stable and more effective. That could mean a short walk in the sun every morning, a daily serving of fortified milk, or a weekly menu plan that includes vitamin D-rich foods. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend or family member over 50. Which of these tips will you try first? Leave your answer in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a research-backed health tip from Live Vital Life, where every fact is verified by science and trusted by medical experts. See you in the next video.